Now it is time to design and build your mosaic.
So today we're just going to do a really simple, basic shape. We're going to do a heart. Everybody likes hearts. So you take your cement board, which is our substrate, or if you happen to be doing it on wood for some reason, you take a Sharpie marker and you just draw your heart onto your piece. The other thing I do is I draw a little border around the edge of my board, so I know that the tiles aren't going to go to the very, very edge, because when I grout this, I want the grout to be able to go around the whole edge to make a nice little framework, and that kind of helps hold everything in. This is an example of a piece that I just did. It's got some handmade pieces, some just regular tiles that are nipped and broken. These are tiles from like a tile sheet that I showed you earlier, and everything is just laid out. You can kind of see there's a little space in between every piece. You never want a tile to be touching. Everything should have a little bit of a space, but you don't want big, big, gigantic spaces, because then then your piece is all grout and no tile. Once you get your heart design put on your piece, then you're going to determine what kind of colors and what sort of things that you want to do. And you know, there's endless selections here. Now, I don't want to do mine exactly. You can never make two ever exactly the same. Get a bunch of tiles, and sometimes what I'll do is I'll just lay out my border. I'm using my line here, and I'm just going to lay each piece out. I'm not going to glue it down until I get it into the positions that I want, because once you glue it, it's not that easy to move back. So you're going to run just a line of glue down the middle. You're going to stick it down, remembering to stay within your drawn border on the outside. You don't want pieces sticking over the edge. Right, so when you think you have everything glued down, you're going to take your piece and then you're going to flip it over and hope that nothing falls off. And usually at least one falls off.
Now you're almost done. Up next, learn how to grout your mosaic.